that everything inside us might not be us. Like, when you are on internet and you are checking just your email. Simple, basic function internet का आप यूज कर रहे हैं. You are just checking your email. अचानक पॉपअप आता है. You didn't click. You didn't type on the address. But some pop-up comes up. So you are checking email and इधर female आता है. Now that is not something which is there within your system, what you want to pursue in it. But it keeps popping up. Similarly, just like when you are sitting over here and you are trying to concentrate, there will be so many things which will keep popping up, just like you are trying to focus. But these pop-ups will come. What happens when we get dragged into, when instead of doing your important stuff of answering that email, you click on that pop-up. And then there is another link. And then there is another link. And after 1 hour, you realize, where did I go? Where am I? Same thing happens with our life also, my dear friends. You are sitting in your class. You are sitting in a class like this. You are sitting for your chanting. You are trying to focus. And then from somewhere, some pop-up comes up. And then you look at the first glance. The first glance is innocent. But then the second glance, it's, enticing. And the third is victimizing. You see? And then when you click on it, then there is so many links attached to that one particular distractive pop-up. So, what we have to understand at this point of time, that we human beings, we have heard so many times that yes, there are those 4 things, ahara, nidra, bhai, maithunam, cha, samanya, etad, pashubhi, naranam. These 4 things are common amongst we human beings and the animals. They do, we do. Sometimes they are more sophisticated in doing those 4 things. We are less adept, incapacitated like that. But then there are these needs which go beyond these 4 physical activities of ours. This is something which we hanker for. We have the prerogative. It's called recognition. It begins with that. अभी देखो, जानवर जो हैं, वो लोग इंसल्ट, तौहीन, इनमें वो लोग ज्यादा डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होते. कुत्ते को कितना भी बोलो, कुत्ते की औलाद, उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़े. हम सच्ची बोल रहे हैं, कुत्ते की औलाद ही तो हूं. लेकिन इंसान को, this desire to be recognized, इंसान को, जैसे एक बार एक पति गुस्से में अपने पत्नी को कहता है, मेरे अंदर का जानवर मत जगा, मेरे अंदर का जानवर मत जगा. तो पत्नी कहती है, अरे जग भी गया तो निकलेगा क्या चूहा? वो भी जानवर ही होता है. वही देखो, अभी इंसान ये कैसा प्राणी है, उसको अगर जानवर बोलो तो तिल मिला जाता है. जानवर बोला, मेरे को जानवर बोलो. उसको शेर बोलो, शेर. तो शेर क्या है? शेर कोई देवता है क्या?